So today let's make fish Nirvana. So here we have got some pearl spot fish cut, here commonly known as karimi. So guys, as you can see here, we have which we are spreading across the fish. This mixture is turmeric powder, chili powder and salt mixed with lemon juice. So guys, let's keep this fish here for 2 hours. Let's shallow fry the fish. Guys, let's pour some more coconut oil. So let's take a fish. As you can see, that is burning. Let's shallow fry both the sides. You can see I have cooked the first one. Ow. Yet it hurts. Oopsie. Ow. So guys, as you can see, we have all our fishes. Let's wait for some time and then it's ready to go. So guys, look, our fish fry is ready. But this is not what we are making today. Today we are making fish Nirvana. So for that, there are a few more steps indeed. So guys, here is a banana leaf and this is a clay pot. So for a fish Nirvana, you gently place the leaf like this. Now let's place a fish over here. So guys, let's take a fish. This is the huge guy. Let's place the fish over here. We have coconut milk and we are slowly pouring it in. So guys, as you can see here, we have some curry leaf, ginger and some green chili. So let's add some curry leaf. So next, let's place some ginger and at last, so guys, here we have some pepper. Let's sprinkle it. So guys, let's just wait and see. See guys, our fish Nirvana is done. Place it down here. prepare some Kerala's traditional dish commonly known here as appam, as well as a fish. So this is the common way of how we eat this amazing fish. Thanks for watching.